Today's video is not just another tutorial. This might actually change the way you create content forever. Right now, people are going viral with simple AI cat videos. No camera, no editing skills, nothing. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same. Hey guys, welcome back. If you want to grow on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram using AI, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch till the end because I'll also show you how to deal with that annoying watermark. So first, you open the Kling AI website. Link is in the description. Once you log in, you'll see different options, but the one you need is text to video. This is where everything begins. Now here's the most important part, your prompt. Think of it like telling AI exactly what you want to see. For example, you can type something like, a cute fluffy kitten playing with a butterfly in a sunny garden, cinematic lighting, slow motion, ultra realistic, 4K. The more detail you add, the better your video will look. Seriously, this one thing can completely change your results. After that, just keep your video short, around 5 to 10 seconds. Short videos perform much better, especially for shorts and reels. Then you hit generate, and just wait a few minutes. What's crazy is, the AI does everything for you. The camera movement, lighting, animation, all automatic. And just like that, your cat video is ready. But here's the thing. You might notice a watermark on your video. Now don't panic. This is normal. If you want the cleanest result, the best option is upgrading to the premium version. That removes the watermark completely and gives you full quality. But if you want to stay free, there are still smart ways around it. You can simply use apps like CapCut or InShot. Import your video and crop the watermark area. So personally, I remove the watermark using Canva. It's super easy and clean. But if you want, you can also use other apps like CapCut or InShot, whatever you're comfortable with. All you have to do is crop the area or place text over the watermark, and you're good to go. Or even better, place text, captions, or stickers over it. Most viral pages already do this, and honestly, viewers don't even notice. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment cat if you want more viral ideas. Link is in the description. Go try it right now.